everyone, in this video I'll explain about blood definition, components of blood, and more about antigen, antibodies, blood grouping, cross matching, and other terminology. So please watch the whole video. Blood is a body fluid in humans and other animals that delivers necessary substances such as nutrients and oxygen to the cells and transport metabolic waste products away from the cells. Blood is made up of liquids and solids. The liquid part, called plasma, is made up of water, salts, and proteins. Over half of our body is plasma. The solid part of our body contains red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Red blood cells deliver oxygen from lungs to your tissues and organs. White blood cells fight infection and are a part of your immune system. Platelets help blood to clot when you have a cut or a wound. The bone marrow consists of spongy material inside the bones, makes new blood cells. Blood cells constantly die and the body makes new ones. Red blood cells live about 120 days. It is their lifespan, and platelets live about 6 days. White blood cells live less than a day, but others live much longer. An antigen is a substance that the body recognizes as foreign. It stimulates the immune system to release antibodies to defend against it. Example: chemicals, bacteria, virus, pollen, and other toxins which are outside of our body are recognized as foreign bodies or pathogens. Antibodies are also called as immunoglobulins, a protective protein produced by the immune system in response to the foreign substance called antigen. The antibody has the binding sites where it attaches to the antigen. ABO blood groups are based on which two antigens, type A or type B, a person inherits from their parents. The absence of both antigens result in type O blood group. Presence of both antigens leads to type AB. Presence of either A or B antigen is type A or type B blood group. Rh factor is a protein found on some red blood cells. People who carry this protein is called Rh positive. People do not carry this protein is called Rh negative. This Rh factor could be important for a pregnant mother, and incompatibility between the type and the babies could create problems. Hemolysis is nothing but rupture of RBCs or breakdown of RBCs. Normal RBCs called erythrocytes have a lifespan of about 120 days. After they die, they break down. Agglutination. It is defined as binding of the antibodies causes the foreign RBCs to clump, a phenomenon called agglutination. So it results to clogging of small blood vessels throughout the body. The agglutinated red blood cells can also crack open, leak toxic contents out into the blood, which have more consequences for the patient. So it is very dangerous. There are 4 main blood groups: A, B, AB, and O. The blood group is determined by the genes inherited from the parents. Blood group A has an A antigen on the red blood cells with anti-B bodies in the plasma. B blood group has B antigens with anti-A antibodies in the plasma. Blood group O has no antigens but both anti-A and anti-B antibodies in the plasma. Blood group AB has both A and B antigens but no antibodies. Blood group AB is called universal recipient, which they can accept blood from all other blood groups. The person of O blood group is called as universal donor so that he can donate blood to all other groups. Blood group O is the most common blood group we can see, and blood group AB negative is the rarest group in the world. Blood typing determines the blood group of both the donor and the recipient before blood is transfused. Cross matching involves testing for agglutination of donor RBCs by the recipient serum and of the recipient's RBCs by the donor serum. This cross-matching is done before any blood transfusion or before any surgery if blood is required. Thank you for watching my videos, and I am trying my level best to improve my video qualities and make you to understand my videos well. Thank you.